Hi, Doug here from the next season. My birthday was last week, and you know everybody always asks you when you have a birthday, what do you want? And of course, every year I say, nothing. I got everything I want. Well, my son, his birthday is actually next week. Our birthdays are 8 days apart in June. But he was over yesterday, him and his family, and he bought me a birthday present that I've looked at in Home Depot several times. I thought, nah, that stuff, it's not going to work. You know, that's not going to be good. But it is a Ryobi 18-volt hybrid fan. Check this out. Now, you say, what's so special about that? Let me tell you. I spent this afternoon sanding down a new furniture refinishing project. It's an Amish table, and I sanded down the top, and I pulled it out into the driveway just so I could cut down on, even though I use a dust extractor on my sanders, dust still gets around. So I took it outside, and I brought it close to the garage door, and it was a little hot. And this fan, I got it, I positioned it so it was blowing on me. Now, before I go on, the great thing about this fan is, you see that? I can put a battery in this, or I can plug it in. Well, the plug-in is the game changer, because it'll just run then basically forever until I run out of power. And it's so small, it's portable. I thought, how much air is this going to blow? So I had this table outside of my garage door, and I positioned this on my workbench, and I turned it on, and I gotta tell you, it was a game changer this afternoon. It blew forceful air. I mean, I don't have a battery, it's not charged, so I can't turn it on. It blows hard. It blew right on me. I can, pivot this thing any way I want, and it was wonderful. Even though it's hot in Florida, excuse me, this thing kept me cool. So I gotta tell you, if you're looking for a little portable fan, this little Ryobi is great because it is portable. You can put it on a battery, or like I did today, I plugged it into an extension cord. And but I gotta tell you, for working in this heat in my garage in Florida, this is gonna be a game changer. A game changer. So Ryan, my best buddy for almost, let's see, how many years? Almost 48 years. Thank you so very much. This was a great present, and it's going to keep me cool all summer long. And for all those who are looking for maybe a portable fan, consider this one. It's great. I used it today. It blows hard, blows a lot of air. Super. So the next time, I'll see you. Again, this is Doug from the next season, and I'll see you on the next Furniture Flip. Bye.